inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, it's me out of fear. You find me.
Okay, hey guys, so I'm gonna start the video now the night before because I feel like tomorrow morning is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be early, so I'm gonna start now. So tomorrow is High Fest, where basically a bunch of frats are like throwing some get-togethers, and me and my friends are going just to hang out. I did a little self-care night tonight. It's Friday night. Did a little self-care, everything, shower, teeth whiteners. But yes, super excited. I think I'm gonna wake up around like 8:30, 8:45 and get things going. So update you guys in the morning when it is freaking early as balls. All right, good night.
See, normally I don't stutter, but you do it.
Hey vlog, a lot later. I filmed a few clips this morning, but now we're all ready. We're about to go. So we're gonna give little fit checks. This is from the bookstore. This is from Amazon. These are from Amazon, and then I green Converse on. And then these are from Amazon. Okay.
Necklace is from Amazon.
Shirt is from Paige. Jeans are from American Eagle. Shoes are Air Forces. And
Kaylee's celeb glasses.
let's go ask the rest of the group. My vlog. Okay. This top Pages. These shorts, I think American Eagle. Shoes, Nike. Socks, Nike. Glasses, Shein. Do you want to get a fit check?
Oh, we got Gymshark shorts. We have a t-shirt. My parents got me it. And,
Shoes?
And we got Hoka's.
Hoka's to the frats are crazy.
Well,
Hey,
you
comfort
see,
first. Oh.
I'm bougie,
This is your
and I have on running shoes, so Hoka's scum of the earth for me.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. I think that's the whole squad. Chloe's not coming out.
I love them too.
I'm sad my roomie's not coming out with us.
Chloe, this is for you because I know you're gonna watch this.
Yeah.
That was crazy. That was so on time. All right. We're gonna listen to him. I'm eating a cheese stick.
Eat cheese.
All right.
Update late.
Update late. All right, we're off. I just want to give a disclaimer right now.
Claim to be?
We are not 21. We've never claimed to be 21. We do not drink. We do not smoke. We do not do drugs.
It's literally just this.
Yeah, we're just going to hang out. Just because one of our
social
it's because
part. This is the announcement that we're doing a vlog takeover. So we're all gonna vlog.
Okay.
And then submit it to Sophie.
Yes, and then we're gonna I'm gonna put the clips in here and there, get some crazy editing going. So yeah, be prepared. Some of the people there are gonna be 21. We aren't 21. We're just going to hang out, guys.
We're going to party.
Tell them.
Have a good time. It's 18 plus to party, and we're all at least 18.
Yeah.
It's not alcoholic.
No, literally.
We're getting a mark on our hands, so like we're not drinking there.
Yeah.
It's a little windy. Hope you hear me, vlog. We're getting a new perspective. This is Sophie. If you wanted to know what she looks like when she walks. We're walking there now. This is the couple this weekend.
Turn around, say hi.
Oh, he didn't say hi.
I did.
That was the hi? He says hi. We'll update when we get there. Kaylee's walking. Pretty normal, actually. Good job.
Thank you. You guys try it.
Okay. Okay, vlog. Here's an update. This is the foam pit that we were, or the foam that we were promised. All it's doing is pouring on like one person. But it's okay. Write it down. So good. Hey, vlog.
What's up?
It's Eric and I, and Sophie's right here. We're updating you. It's kind of a bus, not gonna lie. Sam's taking, oh wait, we're taking a selfie. But yeah, it's kind of like a bus. We're just kind of like vibing at this point. I don't really know. I think we might leave soon, but just updating. I'm updating right now. Yeah, I beat him to it. Okay, talk to you later. Update! Vlog! I'm doing every party. Their alcohol-free party. Music is fire. We're loving it here. I am single-handedly carrying this vlog takeover. I haven't taken a clip.
Hey guys, stepped away for a bit to go pee. We went on a crazy adventure to go pee. Here's the squad. Okay, alright. America over there. Can you guys hear me? Yes or no? But music is fire. And I want to get back in there and start dancing.
Hey, I just found my fifth husband of the day.
You take your
Far away.
shoot me down, but I will go. I am Guys, music is fire. I don't even care. I don't even care. I love this DJ.
Secret vlog update, but we're having fun now. We went to a different one, and yeah, look, I'll give you guys a little like overview. Well, no, I won't, but it just let us know it's good. It's good. Woo! Love you.
Okay, vlog. We're going pee again. It's so crazy and loud over there. I can't vlog.
It's a lot.
But I do know. Oh, there's Eric. Crap, there's Eric.
Hi, I just went pee as well.
Alright, perfect. We just went pee too. In a little crevice of the woods. So bye.
Hey vlog. Oh. There's Kaylee and Chloe and Sophie and Sam. We are currently walking back to Perk. We're gonna chill for a second. I need to charge my phone because it's at 10% or 20%. I know.
And we're gonna go to now.
And then we're gonna go to Nell, and then we might just stay with each other the rest of the night because
Be best friends.
Be best friends. And then look at these people behind me. Are they sus? Are they all right? You let me know in the comments. Subscribe. Subscribe to comment.
Subscribe, guys. Wait.
If you want to be a dickhead, then you got to get with it.
Guys, seriously, subscribe to become a dickhead. I'm serious.
Subscribe to be a dickhead. These two people are dickheads. You really...
I'm a dickhead.
I'm a dickhead. Hey.
Hey.
I'm a dickhead.
Oh. Everybody's a dickhead. Bye.
Hey guys, we went back to the dorm for a little bit. Now we're at Nelson. Puff chips and fries. And we're with Chloe now.
Hi.
Yeah, really good. What'd you get?
Some chicken shrimp.
And some peaches. Yum.
What?
Literally tweaking. Stop. But Kaylee and Eric, tell them what you guys are doing tonight.
100.
We're going back to OSU.
We're going back, or no, not we. They're going back.
Sophie, you're more than welcome.
They're going back to OSU tonight.
Yeah, you can sleep with my roommate's bed.
Leaving.
You can, Sophie.
I'm alright, guys. Don't worry. We're leaving. They're leaving the squad, leaving us three
Probably never watched
to party.
It's really good.
Sam, chill.
Yo, what is she looking at? Comment down below what she's looking at. Alright, this is too much. It's time to go.
Okay, we're at Nelson update with our roomies for next year. Having some wild conversations here. About to go back to Perk, meet up with everyone else. Did you hear that?
Well, did a little outfit change. A little bit of time later, took a nap after Nelson. And now me and Chloe are waiting because we think Sam's gonna come out too, and we're gonna wait for her.
Fit check. Shirt. I have no idea actually. Pants. Aeropostale. Shoes. Air Forces. I'll do everything.
Right.
Rings. Amazon. Earrings. Amazon. Necklace. Amazon. This ass for my mama. Hey.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey!
I'm in the same shorts as before. And there's just this open back top from Shein. So hopefully next time I have to, you guys, we'll be out in the town. Alright, see you.
Vlog. It's been so long. We're having fun.
Vlog so much later. It's like 10 p.m.
I've been out for 2 hours. We went out at 8. 7:45.
We tried to get into Crystal.
Who was that?
That was a whole idea.
Let me talk to the vlog. If the Crystal's bouncer is watching this,
Stop. I love you. You're a dickhead, but for real. Not even a good time. Such a fucking dick.
lick my lollipop, please.
Rude. But now we're here. We were in the country basement. I don't know country though. Now we're back up top to see they play any fire music. And alright, we'll talk to you guys later. I'm not really feeling the vibe right now, so we'll see.
Okay guys, I may or may not be walking home by myself. Sorry guys, sorry, but my social battery is at negative 15 right now, and I can't be anywhere, so I'm walking home by myself. It's 10:11, perfect. I've never had to pee more in my entire life. I have to pee really bad, and people are looking at me. Stop. Guys, it's 11 p.m. I'm home, ready for bed, and you know what? I'm happy about it. Today was a lot, and it's time to go to sleep. So, good night, everyone. I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Okay, guys, so that's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching the High Fest vlog, and I hope you liked all the different POVs. Stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be crazy. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I know it's gonna be lit. Subscribe to become a dickhead, and yeah, goodbye.